Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma has called upon the teaching community to upgrade themselves with new methods of teaching besides acquainting themselves with new teaching techniques. Addressing the annual day function of Laban Assamese Girls Higher Secondary School on Friday as the chief guest, the minister said that teaching method had seen a drastic change in the last few years. He called upon the teaching community to adopt them with today's changing scenario, stating that practice makes one perfect. He urged students to study hard to attain success in life. The advisor to the Education Department, H.M. Shankliang, also addressed the gathering. Earlier, the principal of the school, Dipali Sharma Rao, delivered the welcome address. The students of the school presented several cultural items.
The teachings, technique, the ideas might have been different from the past as well today. There's a lot of challenges. There's lots of challenges in teaching and upgradation of our knowledge. You will face the challenge of computer science and technology. Look from the behind as a failure. If you fail, the failure students will look, understand more, looks as the more beauty of the success.
Heavy rainfall on Friday